I bet you didn't know that bird flight is a mix of science and magic. Let's dive in. Birds are like nature's little aeronautical engineers. First up, their wings. Shaped like airfoils, they create lift by pushing air down and forward. Next, those powerful chest muscles called pectorals flap the wings up and down. It's like a tiny gym workout in the sky. But wait, there's more. Ever noticed how birds change direction? They use their tail feathers like a rudder, steering their flight path with precision. And that hollow bone structure? It keeps them lightweight and agile. Incredible, right? So next time you see a bird soaring above, remember the amazing mechanics at play. Nature truly is the best engineer. Happy bird watching.